Today is a day of joy. It is also a day of transition and recognisation of achievement. And that's why across this room you see smiles, as we know that to have got into Monash required a lot of talent. To get into a university such as Monash, a truly global, modern university, you need talent, and you need to have applied that talent to whatever qualification brought you to this university, gained you selection. But since you've been here, you've had to do even more. You've had to learn, for many of you, to live in a new country. You've had to learn to work in classrooms that are highly multicultural, with views that differ greatly from your own. You've had to work in groups, you've had individual achievement. And for many of you in the field of education, you'll have had to go out and test your skills in the real world, in the real classroom, in your future career. And that is why today is a day of such joy, because it celebrates and recognises the achievement that now cannot be taken from you. You have now graduated.
Emva kweminyaka engaka ngikhala ngamsula izinyembezi ngike ngasibuza nathi baba ngiyawuphumelela nini, ngase ngacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe
ungikhohliwe mina.
ngike ngakhala ngathi baba kuyose kube nini, ngase ngacabanga ukuthi maybe
ungikhohliwe mina.
wangishaya nge-surprise kwase kwajamba izitha wangishaya nge-surprise oh kwashintsha impilo yami ngibabonile bethenga imoto, bejabulile abantu, ongacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ungikhohliwe. Ngibabonile beshada abantu, nababona bakha izindlu, ongacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ungishaye nge-surprise, oh kwajamba izitha ungishaye nge-surprise, oh kwashintsha impilo yami ngithi usuku lwami mina ngatshelwa ukuthi ngeke kwenzeke, kodwa ngimangele sekwenzekile. Namanje ngikholwa ukuthi yimi lo, yimi lo, namhlanje hey, uma ngibheka impilo yami, uma ngibheka umuzi wami, uma ngibheka abantu bami, usuku lwami lokujabula. Sengimdala kangaka, sengikhale kangaka, sengihlekwe kangaka, Sandra